Today at Spotify Camp Nou, the supply chain is running and every crane is busy. 4 radial beams are staged and ready alongside 2 pillars and a set of compression ring boxes with slings already attached. 1 pillar went up this morning, and the afternoon is set up for more. Up at the top of the south goal zone, a long concrete slab is being prepared for placement. This is the section that closes and connects the 3rd tier to the final cantilever, the zone where the pivot joints were concreted in recent days. A significant structural step for that part of the build. On the 3rd cantilever, small guide walls are now appearing across more sections, including toward the south goal. These concrete block guide walls mark out where the enclosed spaces will be built, bathrooms, hospitality, and service areas that need to go up before this level can function. Every guide wall that appears is just the beginning of a long fit-out process still ahead. At the nucleus zones, workers are active on the intermediate walkway, but the superstructure has not advanced further, and no concrete slabs or sandwich panels are showing as imminent. On the compression ring, the lateral zone now has 19 boxes placed, with 8 pillars and 8 radial beams confirmed installed. The geometry is visibly shifting as the ring approaches the north goal corner, with radial beams getting progressively shorter. The first cimbra support structure has also appeared near the south goal lateral corner, which is the earliest possible signal that installation is about to open into a new sector. At the north goal zone, 2 elevated platforms are active, working on the expansion joint pistons simultaneously, one at mid-level and a second on the upper section. Sandwich panels are also staged nearby, with a number still to be placed on the visible face of the nucleus. At the north goal tribune corner, the vertical ceramic slat supports placed in recent days are confirmed in position, but the horizontal connecting unions have not been installed yet. Workers were spotted scraping and preparing the beam surfaces in this zone, which points toward painting being the next step before slat installation can follow. Ceramic slat installation at the north goal front section is now pushing into a second row. The anchor points are confirmed in place, and with continued work at this pace, the entire zone should be fully clad within a couple of weeks. The beam framework still needs its protective coating in some areas before the remaining slats can follow. Black cladding panels are now visible in the more advanced sections of the VIP ring interior. These dark tone finished panels are going up across the wall framework and are the clearest sign yet that some areas of the ring are moving from structural fit-out into final surface finishing. Each section that reaches this stage is one step closer to a completed interior. At the Tribune Terrace, 3 elevated platforms were active simultaneously, working across the beam framework on the left side section. New ceramic slat support pieces delivered recently are staged on top of the cafeteria diamond, ready to be lifted into position. At the cafeteria, aluminum cladding panels are going up on the entrance section today, replacing the temporary formwork that had been covering it since construction began. That is your full update for today. Every zone is active, and every day this build gets closer to the finish line. Drop a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe if you are not already. It keeps these updates coming, and trust me, you do not want to miss what is coming next. See you tomorrow.